To view your reading reports, first open up the menu on the left side of the page and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, you have two options. Option 1 is to select Reports on the left-hand side here. Option 2 is to select the Reports icon next to your class on the right-hand side. This is a good option if you have just one class, as is the case here. Having clicked the Reports icon, you'll land on this page. Under Reading Reports, click Go to Dashboard. Once generated, the class reading report shows the following information: the total number of books assigned to each pupil, the total number of books each pupil has read, either online or using the Collins Hub app, and the total amount of time each pupil has spent reading. You can also see individual pupil data in more detail. Clicking on the pupil's name, as shown, will launch a report with a list of books assigned to the selected pupil and showing the following: the date each book was assigned, the time the pupil has spent reading each book, the number of pages the pupil has viewed within each book, and whether or not they've viewed the book online and or whether they've downloaded it to the Collins Hub app. You can also filter the reading reports by date range. Select a start and end date here and click Apply to see how many books each pupil has read and how long they've spent reading during the specified period. The date range will also be applied to the pupil reading report if you then select an individual pupil from the class. If you don't select a date range, you'll see all reading activity for the class or pupil selected. Both the class and student level reports can be downloaded to Excel using the icon here. Click Export and then click Save. And I can then open up the report from my Downloads folder. If you have any further questions or need any support using Collins products, then please contact our digital support team at education.support@harpercollins.co.uk or by visiting our help and support page at www.collinshub.co.uk/help and support.